Welcome to your new I/O block. It's a different model. It looks the same except for your gray ports there. It's totally different. It's got I/O link master ports, all 7 of them. Now, the first thing you're going to do, you're going to connect with your IP address as I have done. You're going to sign it in its admin, and the password is private. No, really, it's private. See right there? Private. So, sign in. Now you are signed in. If you go to your digital inputs and outputs, you'll see there's nothing there. Now that might not be the case. In fact, it probably won't be the case because I've come across a spaghetti pot of different configurations on untested I/O blocks. So, I have here an I/O block. I have a photo I, and as you can see, nothing's happening. Satisfying it, nothing's happening at all. And I have a button here. Nothing's happening. That's what I came across, and I had to investigate. And I was successful. So, first thing you're going to do. Now I'm on port 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm on port 3. So I'm going to go to port 3. Now you'll see here you've got statuses and all that stuff. Configuration. Now, I know for a fact, pin 2 is not my problem at the moment. It's pin 4. So I need to go down here. Now, you have tons of options. You're going to choose normally open digital input. Reverse that. You're going to save it. Now, if you go down to your digital I/O tray, you're going to see there it is. So now it functions. That's for your input. Now, let's say you have a DC card and a photo on one port with a splitter, as usual. So I have this button right here. It doesn't do anything. And if I go to my outputs, there's none. So I'm in port 6. I'm going to go to configuration, signal 1 or pin 4, which is your black wire. I am now going to change that to digital input, normally open. Save. And then pin 2, your white wire, signal 2, I'm going to change that to digital output. And I'm going to go down to my digital I/O channels. And as you can see, I can't do anything. I have to go to the second bullet point here, enable, and then press allow, and I can turn it on. Now, as you can see here, port 6 pin 2 also shows up on input data. So it can be a little tricky. Don't let it trick you up. If you designate all your ports to your photo eyes, and then you see these extra inputs for all your DC cards, that could get confusing. As you can see here, I toggle that. That's just, to me, that's a flaw. Just watch out for that. So then, you know. And now your ports act just like you're used to. And that's pretty spectacular. Now, I was asked a little while ago about the IP address. Okay, now here, this is where you can change your address. I was asked about that before, so I just thought I'd share it with you. After you sign in, you'll have settings and maintenance. You set your IP address or subnet. That's all. Which is actually a little easier to do than factory resetting and all that stuff. But if you sign out, you can't do that.